chaos in the ruling party ZANU-PF. Zvanozikanwa nenyika yose kuti ZANU-PF is the house of dirty games. Panguva ine tinoona kuti muzana nhasi Philip Valerio Sanda is entangled. Panguva ine achisekiwa kana kuti panguva ine achiachudzwa nevanhu kunzi you've been betrayed by the people you protected. You've been betrayed by the people you saved. Nzanabina Mashua Mranyuka panguva ine nakumana ve anti 2030 achachi deliver a message to him to subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tinda painda president anti 2030 orochikora zvakananda anoposta Philip Valerio Sanda muri kuona mudajira chiti Valerio Sanda betrayed by the one he saved. ED always suspected him, saying repeatedly, Valerio may go against me. So instead of facing him openly, he tricked him out of command. This is his signature pattern. Remove you first, then silence you. Valerio, don't trust ED, I warn you. Toma developments are Rubuda Pangwa ine. Ajizi Valerio Sanda, Pangwa ine was betrayed. Everyone knows his story. In Pangwa ine akangari kuruwe moto in Pangwa ine he is now retired. And also, he was silenced. Ajua achi joiniswa achinonzi gapinde the Politburo. Ma developments anokuda Pangwa ine anokwa kunzi. Rumors embotaura kuti he was promised kuti he might be one of the vice presidents. But panguva ine kuchotoka nema developments ari kuitika munyika, everyone now is confused. Hapana munachaziva maplans ezvikananda. What are they planning? Cap 3 yakapasiwa, Vision 2030 has been attained. Now they are rallying for Cap 4 ichifamba neVision 2037. Ma developments ari kubuda panguva ine ari kunyatsokusiya panguva ine kuchotoka kunzi these 2017 generals, all of them have been betrayed, especially the vice president Constantino Chiwenga. Ma developments are kuda panguva ine ari kunzi the ruling party ZANU-PF don't trust anyone. Pina comment section medu zofungura email to leave on 0 page. So like on the bell icon.